Two Murray County residents are being treated after they were exposed to rabies. WRCB reports a rabid cat near the victim's home scratched and bit them. The cat was taken to Murray County Animal Control, where it tested positive for the rabies virus. Health officials say the stray cat was a regular visitor at homes along Old Federal Road South in Chatsworth. 5 other unvaccinated cats in the same area will be put down, officials say. They want to remind everyone not to touch stray animals, even if they appear healthy like this one did.